Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. So today we're continuing with our fall recipes, and this is inspired by Kimmy and the pretty lady. I don't know her name, but they made some peach cobbler cups. So what I'm gonna do, some caramel apple pie cups, y'all, and we're using these. This is the only time of year that they're out, y'all. I got these from Wally World. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. I have my muffin tin here. I have my apple pie filling. Okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and spray my pan. I have some caramel sauce. You can use any kind you like. And then I have some powdered sugar to make a little glaze. Okay? So let's go ahead and spray the pan. And this is going to be real easy. It's very beginner friendly, okay? Let me cut these open. Hold on. If you can't find these caramel apple cookies, you can use sugar cookies. And I got the big cookies. This same pack, they'll do, well, these only come in the big cookies. But if you do sugar, you can get the big cookies or you can get the smaller ones. And you'll have to use 2 in each cup, okay? So just keep that in mind. But we're just going to take 1 cookie ball, 1 cookie dough, and put it into each cup. That's it. Oh, I love the way these smell. Okay, 1 in each spot. And I let these, they were frozen of course, but I let them come to room temp pretty much. They're still cool, but kind of room temp, so that they wouldn't be so hard when I took them out. Now, that's it. You see? These are going to go into the oven for 8 to 10 minutes on 350 degrees. And you want to check them at about 8 minutes or so, because you want them to be slightly underdone, okay? You don't want to cook these to a crisp, because we want a chewy cookie, all right? All right, into the oven they go. BRB. Okay, so I've already washed the top of my can and dried it off. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now these are apple slices, and I'm going to just dice them up a bit. Now the apple pie filling, it's already congealed and it's already sweet. So I'm not going to add any sugar or anything. The only thing that I may add is cinnamon and maybe a hint, just a little bit of nutmeg. But that's probably it, because it's sweet enough. I don't think I need to add anything to this. I don't. I'm not going to add anything. I'm just going to dice these up. It's perfect. Right out of the can. I'm using great value. I use store brand products. I don't mind, as long as they taste good. You can't get everything value brand, but a lot of stuff you can. Someone put in the comments before that they like the recipe, but they can't use off brand. Okay, so buy the brand that you like. This is the brand that I like, and it's good. So this is what I have, okay? Okay, so y'all, these apples are already nice and tender. They're not hard or anything, so they're ready to use right out of the can. Now, I think what I may want to do though is add maybe a tablespoon of melted butter, and that's all it's gonna need. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, just so you guys can get a good look. I left them in, you know, little chunks, so just little chunks. Okay, let me get that butter melted. So about a tablespoon. I'm just going to throw that right on top. And I'm going to put this whole thing in the microwave, okay? Just to get that melted. Okay. So, just mix that butter in. And that is it for the apple filling. Yummy. Okay. And it sounds like the cookies are ready. So let me get those. Hold on. And they are ready. Okay. So I took out a little cup, measuring cup, to see if I could. This might be too big. What size is that? Let me see if I can find a smaller one. This is a 2 tablespoon measuring cup. This will work better. So while they're still warm, you want to just take and push them down. Just like that. While they're still warm. Okay, let me bring you guys closer so that you can see. I'm going to let these cool in the pan, okay? All right, y'all see how it created the little indentation in the middle to make a cup? Okay, and then I'll let you get a little closer look at our apples. Okay, so as soon as these cool a bit, we're gonna go ahead and assemble. Okay, y'all, so our cookies have slightly cooled off, our cookie cups. Okay, we're gonna take our caramel sauce and drizzle a little bit inside each cup. This is why I didn't add any more sugar to those apples. It's not gonna need it. Alright, so I'm going to continue to pour into each one of these. You want a little bit of caramel drizzled in each one. Y'all, this is a really fun and quick dessert that you can make with your whole family, with your kids or whatever. Or you can just make them if you want a snack. But it's good for the fall. Who does not love apple pie? Who doesn't love caramel? And who don't love cookies? It's the best of all three. Okay? So now that I have my caramel in, y'all see, okay? Now we're going to go and we're going to scoop some of our apple pie filling into each cup. All right. And this is probably way too much, but that's fine because I got to make some more. They smell. Oh goodness, the smell in here, guys. Wish I had smell-o-vision so that y'all could smell it. So y'all, to continue to get these recipes, I need y'all to do something for me. You know what I'm going to say. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the button. Subscribe, y'all, so you can come on back and get some more of these easy fall recipes. Okay? Subscribe, and I forgot to say, hit the notification bell so that you'll know when we upload something, okay? I should have did this with my babies. This would have been easy and fun for them to do. I should have. The next batch, I'll get them to participate. Okay. So, again, 1 can of that apple pie filling because it was so much, you can double this recipe. You can have 2 packs of cookies, which I'm going to do another pack. Now, this is not for people who need sugar free. It is not if you're on a diet, okay? I didn't say these was low calorie, but they going to taste good. So if you're on a diet or you can't have all the sugar, I'm sorry, make them for somebody else. Okay, I think that's good. Little more in that one, but I think that should be good. All of them are good. Okay, and see how much I have left? I'm gonna go ahead and make y'all, it's high sugar, but it's gonna be good for you. It's gonna be good to you. I'm gonna make a glaze, okay? And I want it a little thick, so I have some powdered sugar here, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. And I don't need very much, so I'm gonna use probably about a cup, because I don't need a whole lot. I'm gonna start with about a tablespoon of water, okay, y'all? All right. So, hey, where are you guys watching from? Leave it in the comments and let me know. And how's everybody doing as well? Because I forgot to ask. Y'all doing all right? I hope so. I know you're enjoying this cool down. A break from all that heat. I know I am. Okay. So that was probably just enough water. I may have to add just a little bit more powdered sugar because I don't want it real watery. But you'll know, okay, when you get the consistency that you want. Yep. I need a little bit more powdered sugar. That's why I said add slow, y'all. Add it slow. So I'm going to add maybe about 2 more tablespoons of powdered sugar to thicken it up. Now this is going to be good. This is how I want it. Okay. So, to finish these caramel apple pie cookie cups off, we're going to go ahead and drizzle them with a little bit of the caramel sauce of your choice. Okay, so let's just go over it just a little bit. Okay. Just a drizzle. Oh, they look so good. Okay. A drizzle of your glaze, your powdered sugar glaze. This is going to be good, y'all. I can tell. Just from looking at it, I can tell it's going to be good. Okay. That is it. Whew. I done made a little mess, but that's alright. Let me let y'all see them up close. Up close. Ah. Yeah. Don't they look delightful? Okay. It's time for me to call the tasting crew and get some of this stuff out the way. So, hold on. Yay. Okay, my taste testers. Look at there. Come on, y'all. Come on,
I'm gonna jump in
testers.
and grab something.
You wanna? You just don't get it and not. You don't want nothing. You don't wanna. Let me get you a paper towel at least.
Okay, let's do it. Blessings.
I don't know where my son is.
All right, I'm gonna scoop it.
You probably have to just pick it up. You got it?
They look good.
Let them see. Let them see. Let them see.
Don't drop it.
Yeah. Okay.
To us. It's hot.
They're warm. It's just warm. Is it too hot? Okay.
Apple?
Caramel apple. Caramel apple pie cookie cups.
Delish.
You made quick work of that.
Mm-hmm.
I was going to ask you for a bite. I don't want a whole one.
Yeah, that's really good.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Y'all need to make it. Peace.
It's good. Wow.
Yeah, I'll come out for that.
They're good. Where's the son?
He's busy.
Upstairs, I think.
Okay, well, I guess that's it, y'all. Because my son didn't come down. But, super easy recipe. Beginner friendly. Y'all make them. Caramel apple pie cookie cups. Alright, we will catch y'all on the next video. Love y'all big. Bye.